Good morning, everyone. So right now I'm about to fix the float on our water tank. One of our cows knocked it off, which has probably been rubbed on a lot, or has been rubbed on a lot, and just slowly been kind of loosening up. So it got knocked off in the mud, and I need to reattach it to the water. Right now, you can tell where it's been. It's pretty scarred up here on the side, so gotta fix it. Maybe. Also, I should have checked if there were wasps in that, because sometimes wasps climb out of the little hole on top, so that wasn't very smart. You can see it slowing down, and then it stops. That's just how it works. And some kitty cat. Hi, Scout. What you doing, buddy? He usually helps me with everything. What are you doing, bud? Oh, he's telling me all about it. Well, yeah. So right now I'm actually coming to check the cows, making sure that everybody's here and seeing if there's any new calves. We're actually still waiting on 3 of our cows to have calves, so it's a little late, but that seems to be how it goes for us every year. I would love for there to be some new babies. I'm not even sure that all the cows are over here, which can be both good and bad. So I'm gonna count real quick. One of them's down there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, everybody's here. What you doing, Mama? What's on my pants? My hand is really nasty. Sorry, I'm wiping it on you, Coachies. Out here, I also need to check mineral feeders. Doing this in case there's something in here. Looks empty over here. Empty. We have one over here too. I've seen squirrels come out of there before. Not when I was messing with the things. I don't want a snake to come out of there, but I've seen squirrels run out of there before. And I'm just like, I don't want to be picking it up and a squirrel fly out at me. I went to our shop and I found some salt and some fly control mineral, so I'm going to get that ready and go throw it out there in the mineral feeders. I'm not really sure how long the mineral feeders have been out of mineral, but there's a good possibility when I start pouring it in there that the cows are going to swarm me, so we might have some fun watching. I don't know why the cows always think they need to be at 1 when there's 2. But that's just kind of how they roll for some reason. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry there's not much action, but hopefully when it gets a little bit cooler, because it's kind of hot, somebody thinks they need to sneak up on me, y'all can, well, I can show y'all some good videos. I'm a little worried. Here, Mama. Waiting on her to have a baby. She gets a little crazy when she gets out having a baby, so I don't really like that look. So I'm gonna go, but thank you so much for watching.